Hi, I'm Brandy and this is Hound Dog Hollow. Today I'm opening the Tonymoly March bundle. This was $39 with a $90 value, so a really high return of investment. I skipped last month's bundle because it was like love theme and makeup and I really wasn't digging it. But this month looks pretty good, so let's check it out. Tonymoly usually has a bundle opportunity every month, except for December, it didn't have one. And just different items. I've never seen really a cohesive theme, but it's pretty cool. Alright, so this looks like a sample. Sample kit with their ampules. It looks like I got Synergy and Firming. Cool. This was a free gift because I bought this on Women's Day. It's it's basically a lip balm. This is the Green Tea Watery Skin. I've gotten this in a bundle many months ago, and it's a really nice toner. This is the Green Tea Watery Eye Cream. This is the Egg Pour Nose Pack. So basically the nose strips. This is Black Tea London Classic Serum. Anti-aging skincare. Contains high quality black tea recognized by England's royal family. That's nice serum. This is UV Master Vital Sun Stick. So it's sunblock and stick form, which is kind of cool. It's SPF 50 plus, and it says PA plus, whatever that means. Painting Therapy Pack, Hydrating and Calming Blue Color Clay Gel. So I've had the black and the white. I've never had the blue of this. Here's Panda's Dream Sleeping Pack, which is really cute. I love their little panda stuff. I've never actually tried any of the products. I just like the way that they look. Seaweed sheet mask, pearl sheet mask, tea tree sheet mask, and a Dr. Logi sensitive mask sheet soothing. So that's pretty cool. And then of course we've got a couple little samples here with the Black Tea Classic London Cream and then 2 Vita Synergy serums. So I think I got, oh no, this is serum and this is an ampule. So pretty cool. This was a really great value. I got it for $39. It's worth 90 bucks. It's available through the month of March by Tonymoly. Check them out. I love Tonymoly. They're a good company with good products and they're really cute. So this has been my review of Tonymoly's March bundle. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to have my 300 subscriber giveaway coming up this weekend, but I literally just got home from my last day of a long work week. And I'm probably not going to do it tonight. So thank you guys. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day.